See, that's the Eclipse.
Hey, can I try that?
Yeah. Get it in there. Very cool.
No, put it on right here. No! Yeah. You're moving the piece of paper. You're moving it. Where did it go? There it is.
Here, Dan. What if I go like this?
Yeah, can you see it that way?
Put the thing down farther. Put the phone down farther.
And let's go back inside.
Can you see it now? Can you see it now?
Oh, wait.
Ian,
Yeah, maybe Ian put the paper.
Dan,
up
put
there.
the phone down farther so that I can reach. Ian, move.
No,
please.
have Ian put the paper up there. Ian put.
Why does everybody do not draw it?
Oh, there it is. I see it. It's there.
Right here.
We got it. You see it? It's right on the corner.
I want to see.
My arms are tired.
Okay.